Hey guys, we're doing the team random now. Random is live for the 5 box break. Multi 16, 17, 17, 18, 19, 20, 6:41, 33 p.m. Melbourne time. Participants 7 times. It's thunder. Don't be worried. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yo. Teams now. On 7 times. 1, oops, got ahead of myself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oops, 6, and 7. Yoink. And I'm complete. And the teams are Brendan with the Spurs and Pistons, Nick Power Clippers, Brendan Hawks, Paul Andrew Cotton Hornets, Nick Watson Thunder, James Cannon Rockets, Aaron Spence Mavericks, Brendan with the Bulls, Stretch with the Raptors, Kiwi with the Bucks, Brendan with the Nets and Celtics, Deegan with the Kings, Albie with the Cavs, Brendan with the Warriors, Johnny with the Nuggets, Brendan with the Pelicans, Knicks, Grizz, Sixers, Magic, Blazers, Jesus, John Spence with the Wiz, Brendan with the Jazz, Aaron with Suns, Simon Humphries with Heat, Aaron Spence with T-Wolves, Albie with Lakers, Brendan with Pacers, and that is the list. The reason I'm not going to break quite yet is with the thunderstorms outside. I've got a bad feeling it's going to be a blackout soon, so I'm going to wait a little bit and do it in a bit. So obviously give you times to do trades or whatever you want to do. Yeah, I'll be back later. Bye.